Yes, we are preaching the freedom of Biafra. Now, my people, you can see what has been going on in Nigeria. The thing is that the freedom of Biafra must be preached everywhere, anywhere, any day, anytime. And they cannot stop us preaching the freedom of Biafra. They cannot stop us. We must be preaching till Biafra comes. Now you can see what these people are trying to do. They're trying to confuse us. They're trying to make us to believe that we are still one, but it's not the case. Forget about all these zoo government, what they're trying to do to make you believe that by appointing service chief of naval, that everything is okay, everything will be fine. Nothing will be fine, nothing will be okay. Nothing will be okay. We have decided to move on, and we're not gonna stop this fight until Biafra comes. We're not gonna back down until we achieve the Biafran freedom. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, they have said it and they have made it clear. Nothing will bring us back. Nothing will make us to surrender our fight for freedom. Nothing. If they like, they can do whatever they like. I mean, the zoo government cannot stop this Biafra movement. They cannot. And the earlier they get it, the better for them. Because, like I said, we have reached and we have crossed the red line that we cannot go back anymore. So I prefer these people to get this message very, very clear, loud and clear, that Biafra movement will continue. Biafra freedom will continue. Biafra restoration will continue. Biafra independence will continue. There is nothing that can stop this movement on earth. Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister, has made it clear. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, sorry for the sound. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the same thing. We are not giving up this fight for freedom. We are not surrendering anything for this liberation. So many Biafrans have sacrificed their lives. So many Biafran families have lost loved ones. Is it now that we're going to surrender this fight for freedom? The answer is no. There is no more time. We are not stopping until this Biafra is achieved. We are not going back until this restoration of Biafra is achieved. So the zoo government must get it clear. There's nothing that will make us to surrender this fight. Not even them appointing all these service chief, army staff, or whatever they want to appoint. It will not stop us. It will never stop us. Biafra must be preached. Biafra freedom must come. Biafra liberation must continue. We are not stopping. We are not surrendering to this fight, because we have reached to the end of this struggle, and there is no way we can stop this fight now. There's no way we can surrender this fight now. Like I said, it's too late, and we're not going back. Forward we move, backward never. So the zoo government, led by Ahmed Bola Tinubu, we must understand this, that we are not surrendering anything. We are not backing down. The Biafran freedom must continue. The Biafran fight must continue. Whether they like it or not, we must continue fighting for this freedom of Biafra. This is where I'm going to stop. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye.